Hey guys, MoneyMarrowTech, back in our tech review. Today we're trying out some new headphones from a company who reached out to me recently. This here is the SOUNDPEATS Clip-1. This is their most premium headphones out right now. Price that right now at $70. However, they gave me a coupon to give you guys if you want to pick some up. You can save 30% off of $70. So right now you get it for about $50. All right, what you're getting for $50, you're getting high-res audio, LDAC Support, Dolby Atmos. You're getting Bluetooth 5.4. You're also getting a 12mm driver on both sides. 8 hours of playback time on a single bud, or single clip, I should say, and 40 hours with a case. And you're getting self-adaptive left and right audio channels. All right, guys, all that for $70. Currently on sale for Black Friday for $50. I will leave a link down below. We'll check them out. All right, guys, in the box, you're getting Type A, Type C charging port, quick start guides, and stickers. All right, guys, so here it is, your ear clips. Real quick, before we walk in there, light indicator right here, Type C charging port right here. Open it back up again. You got your ear clips. Before taking them out, you know what I'm gonna do? Shake test, shake, 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 still there. Shake, shake, still there. A little harder, still there. All right, so it took some force to get them out, so or else you're shaking the headphone crazy. They're not gonna fall out by themselves. And then if you have a case open like this, okay, they might fall out, but hopefully you're not gonna keep it open while you're dropping it. It might be an accident, but you never know. All right, and you see that right there. It doesn't matter how the headphones fall out or how they go back in. They're gonna go back in either way. Okay, so it doesn't matter which way you go in to charge up. All right, think about charge. Remember, like I mentioned before, 40 hours of playback time on the case, 8 hours for single buds. 10 minutes of charge time will give you 2 hours of playback time for fast charging. All right, real quick, let's go ahead and try them on and see how they look. All right, guys, so I was got done reading the manual. This is my first time, like I said, trying on some ear clip headphones. So how they're supposed to work, they're supposed to go about right here. Okay, so I thought it'd come down here. I was incorrect. It goes right here. All right, so here we go. You take it and put it just like so. Okay, so this is how the ear clip will look in your ear. All right, let's go ahead and take the other one and do the same thing. All right, now I'm about to look crazy, but I'm about to do the shake test. So if I see my lips move back and forth, you know why. Okay. 1 shake, 2 shake, 3 shake, okay? So they're staying locked in the ear, okay? That's good to know, all right? And like I said, don't look too bad, all right? I can see how the speaker goes straight into the ear canal. It's probably will still let you hear your outside noise. That's good to know, all right? So let's go ahead and pair them up real quick to the application and do a quick walk around of the app. All right, guys, so you're looking for it on the Play Store or Apple Store. You're gonna type it here in the search bar, Peats Audio. Once you get it installed, go ahead and click on it. As you've seen, my device, SOUNDPEATS Clip-1, click on that. And then you'll be able to see pretty much everything. So right here on top is where you will go to either do a firmware update, find my ear clips, device information, reset it. Right here is your prompts. So it's in English or Japanese. So when you turn it on, put it in your ear, it will let you know when it's turned on. And it will say either English or Japanese. Go back one, you see your battery percentage, 100% on the clips and the case. Right down here is how you can play with your audio and EQ settings. So right here, you will turn on Dolby Atmos, you can. If you wanted to have 2 devices connected to this at one time, like for example, you get a phone call on your phone while you're doing work on your laptop, it automatically switch to your phone. Okay, you got game mode. Pretty much what it is low legacy mode, to be able to play games without like missing the audio from that. Custom keys. All right, so this is how you'll be able to change and play with your touchpad right here. Okay, so right now I have my setup. If I double click on the left ear, it will go to previous track. Right ear, go next track. Okay, right here you can do more. So if you want to do 3 taps, you be able to play music, pause it, turn on game mode, for assistance, or turn on volume up or down, okay? And you pretty much gotta double tap or triple tap it for that one if you want to turn it on. Right now, my turned off. I'm only using just the previous track, next track per ear clip, okay? On the bottom, you have another tab. Click on this, allow you to change the EQs. So right now, you can choose between the 4 preset EQ settings, or if you want to go a step further, you can customize it. So you want to change it up a little bit, custom 2, save it. Now you have your own preset customs right here, okay? All right, guys, so I got everything set up. I'm about to play some music, try them out, and see how they sound. All right, guys, so just got done listening to this about a good 30 minutes, listen to different genres and stuff, R&B, rap, jazz, slow music and stuff, and I'm very, very surprised on how the bad boys sound, okay? I was very skeptical at first on how it looks, but as soon as you put in your ear like this, they sound amazing, okay? One thing else I forgot to mention is D does offer auto pause and play. So as you take it out your ear and see at the gym, so I talk on your shoulder, hear what's going on, take it out your ear, it will pause your music, put it back in, it resume music. But none of that, guys, the highs is there, the lows is there, the bass, surprisingly, is there. It's really there, okay? It got some good bass as well. The vocals sound clear and stuff. Only I had a hard time learning, keyword learning, because I'm adapting to it still, is the touchpad on the back here, okay? None of that, it worked phenomenal. Right now, I just tapped it accidentally, and it worked, okay? But it's just a learning curve, especially for me. But none of that, they sound really, really amazing. And for $70, not bad. So the SOUNDPEATS Clip-1, what I think about it? Well, it sounded good, for one. And I'm very surprised. I really am surprised on how it sounds, how it feel around your ear, and what they could offer you for the price, okay? Like I said before, the audio sounds amazing. High, low, middle, low, bass and stuff sounds phenomenal. Coming in at $5,000, these things are lightweight, okay? I could definitely see myself forgetting about it, falling asleep, you know, just wearing them all the time. You're getting amazing battery life. 8 hours of playback time is good for a day. You get it 40 hours with the case, and then even if you got charged up real quick, 10 minutes of charge time, we get back in the game for 2 hours of play time, which is phenomenal numbers to have for some headphones on the go. All right, guys. So if you're interested in picking some up, guys, like I said before, I have a link down below. Save 30% off. Say thank you to SOUNDPEATS for offering that coupon to buy them. I'm MoneyMarrowTech. See you guys next time. Peace.